Hi guys, it's Adam here from Peddling Pizza. I'm here today in the Gozney kitchen to give you some helpful hints and tips on how to run your own Roccbox pizza party. Okay, first thing is, book a date where you give yourself at least 24 hours in advance to make your dough and as many of your friends can come as possible. Okay, so on to the dough. Basically, you're having a pizza party. No one wants to come to a pizza party where there's not enough pizza, so just make sure you always make enough. Allow 1, maybe even 2 pizzas per person. So if you've got 10 people, 15, 20 dough balls even, that's gonna be perfect. Okay, so it's the day of your pizza party. Your guests come around about 7 o'clock. You wanna start making pizza about 7:30. What you wanna do about 6 hours before, you wanna ball up your dough so it's just nice, it's relaxed, and it's easy to work with. You want to get yourself a good clean surface, something that's smooth. All of your toppings around you. You want to be able to prep 2 to 4 bases on this surface. So it's got to be, big enough for that. You want to have your Roccbox on a good sturdy work surface or table, and you need something to serve the pizza to, like a wooden board. Okay, so it's an hour before your guests arrive. This is a good time to get your preparation and all your ingredients sorted. So you want to make your sauce, cut your cheese, get all your other things out, and just leave them at room temperature. Leave them in your kitchen till you're ready to go. Okay, so it's about 10 to 15 minutes before you want to start cooking pizzas. If you've got a friend at the party who wants to help out, get them involved. One of you can be doing the bases, while the other one's working the oven. Okay, so we're on to toppings. Now this is completely up to you. You can freestyle as much as you like. Go crazy, just keep it basic. Nutella, all kinds of goodies are going on the sweet one. It's gonna look spectacular. Okay, if you're new to making pizza in Roccbox, don't worry, just follow some of their links in the description below for great advice on making dough, sauce, cutting the cheese, everything you need to know. Okay, let's get this party started. So about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, it's time to make some dough balls. Ball up your dough, and you're good to go.